Okay, we have a TORMACH CNC lathe, model 8L, serial number 10132. This machine was new in 2021, and we are running. Machine has 8-inch swing with 10-inch center distance. You have a TORMACH PATHPILOT CNC control, which has conversational programming and G-code memory. 1,000 RPM, it goes up to 5,000 RPM. So this machine has the cross slide, it has the tool post. We have additional holders with it, the drill chuck. Right now he's running at what RPM did you go up to at? 3,000-ish? 2,500. So right now it has a 4-inch 3-draw chuck on it, but if you take the chuck off, the machine has a 5C collet nose, and we do have some collets with it as well. He's moving it with the hand wheel. Both the Z and the X travel. That's the TAILSTOCK quill. And you can see the drill chuck in there. Yep. That's how you release the 5C collet manually, and you can see the belt that goes to the spindle. Could you open the drawers for them too, please? You can see the different tool post holders and your 5C collets. It's a 1.5 horsepower machine and runs on 110 single phase electric, so you can plug it into your any outlet in your house. Hey, thank you for watching our video.